in today's video, I will be showing to you a new project, okay? They are also giving an airdrop, so it is entirely free and you can get a 5 USD airdrop value if you're going to watch this video. But first of all, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates from you guys, okay? So let's just jump right into it, okay? So Plugchain is a secure and decentralized blockchain that offers up to 50,000 TPS with smart contract features inbuilt. Their tech community is mainly based in China and other Asian countries, and the developers inside this platform can easily generate tokens, liquidity pools, staking pools, and even an airdrop function by using very little plug token. So this is the official token of Plugchain as a gas fee. So it is also designed for cross-chain purpose. Plugchain can seamlessly provide data between other blockchains as well. So Plugchain is a awesome tool for other cross-chain use case to be built on. So if you want to look their API, you can just go directly here. If you want to look into their GitHub posts, you will be able to see some documentations and some things that you actually want to know. So if you want to know more about Plugchain, so make sure to check and click this one. I'm also going to put this into the description box below so that you will be notified as well, okay? So how you can actually join their airdrop, okay? So first of all, join their Telegram desktop over here. So you will be redirected into this part right here. And then what you just need to do is just go into the pin post and then click this official Plugchain bot so that you will be able to join. And this is entirely free again. So just click the start. And what you just need to do is, of course, join their official Telegram channel, which I just created right now. I just recently joined. So what you need next thing to do is just open this, okay? You open this, okay, and then you paste the link of the YouTube channel here, and then you click subscribe, okay? After that, you've done, you already done that. So I already done this Telegram channel. Oh, I think there's another one. So yeah, I subscribed. So you can now, they can now check ulit, then and then just type in the captcha. So YPG, okay? So after that, subscribe to Plugchain official channel. So it is pretty much the same on here. So like what has been mentioned, just copy and the picture and then submit the screenshot here, and then after that, okay, so join their Twitter account. So after this, okay, so open, click the open, and you are now into the road of getting free $5 token. So just follow this, okay, and then what the instruction here is that you retweet your own your pin post and tag 3 of your friends, okay? So let me just quote tweet this, okay? So I'm going to tag anyone. So maybe I'm not sure who I'm going to tag. So maybe this. So airdrop inspector. So airdrop alert. So maybe another website. Maybe this airdrop announcements, and then just click the tweet. And after that, okay, you need to screenshot it again, okay? So this is how easy it is. What you just need to do is, when it has been into your profile, okay, you'll be able to quote tweet this. So I think it is here. So just click this. I just copy and paste the screenshot into the Telegram group, and that's how easy it is. And then submit your Plugchain wallet address. So watch the YouTube video, okay? So this is how you do it. So you open this, okay? You open this. So it is a 1-minute video for you to be able to create. So go into the Plugchain Network /wallet/login. So we're going to look forward here, okay? So let me just like translate this into English. I think it's a lot more better. So just click the login and then click the create account. I guess this is the one. And then click this next page. Okay, so let me just do it. Start creating. So let's create a password for this, and then password, and then start creating. Oh, so it means it has a different password. So let me just repeat it real quick. And start creating. Well, I'm not sure why is it not working. At least 8 characters, okay? Okay, so that's how you do it. So just type in here. So then just click the login maybe. Oh my, wait, let me just like repeat this. Okay, so sign in, create an account. So let me just click this. I'm not sure why it is not working right now, but I assume that there are some problems in happening, or maybe I'm just going to repeat this later on because the mnemonics are not actually like being displayed. So I'm actually going into a same what do you call that, same website into this part. So I really think that it is not yet working right now. Or maybe I'm going to click this wallet / create. Okay, and then just type in the characters. Numbers, uppercase and lowercase numbers. I just did it, right? So I guess this is pretty much a bug. So in my case, I'm going to skip it for a moment. But I mean, if it hasn't been like, you can just go into the Telegram channel for more information if you are having some problems like what I'm having right now as well. But you just complete this one, okay? You just complete your Plugchain wallet address and then you're just good to go. So if you like this content, guys, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on my next video.